Hey folks, so my fridge, Samsung, with the freezer in the bottom. I'm not going to give you the serial number, model number. I don't have it. The purpose of this video is to talk about this twin cooling fan system that, for lack of a better word, stinks. It was letting out a jackhammer-like noise. Just came on. Haven't had the fridge that long. I've had it a little while, a few years, but still. There's a bunch of videos out there that say you got to defrost the whole fridge. You gotta get a hairdryer out, start de-icing the back panel, and maybe kill yourself in the process, not to mention waste a ton of food. Don't do that, okay? Try this first. Within 12 hours, it worked for me. Go up here first. I don't know if this is totally what did it for me, but I keep the ice off because the ice maker in this thing also stinks. Not a great fridge, don't buy it. But turn off the power freeze, turn the ice off, keep this lower, okay? Keep it on the less chilly side. But specifically go over here. See the little e-saver button? When you go e-saver instead of fridge, you've got a way higher range. This fridge button says let's play in this little 1 to 7 range, keep it nice and cool. That's what's causing the ice. Hit the e-saver button. E-saver button can get you up to like 10, if not 12, 13. Food stays chilled. But more importantly, it probably, at least I think, de-iced my fridge. The jackhammer noise stopped. And you saved a whole bunch of time, labor. Online it says something like, I don't know, $300 plus parts, plus labor. People are buying new fridges. I'm not, because this little trick worked. So I hope it works for you. Try it first before you go crazy and defrost and waste everything. And if it works, thumbs up this, resave, retweet, reforward everything, so we all end up winners and Samsung doesn't take more of our money. How's that? Okay? I hope it works for you. Cheers.